Hi, welcome back. Are you wondering why am I pumped up on sugar? Well, it's a sweetish day, so we're making roast quinoa pudding. Let's get started. To make this dish, we're going to need quinoa, full fat milk and ghee, cardamom powder, rose petal preserve or Gulkand, chopped almonds and raisins, jaggery syrup, you could swap this with sugar as well, and water. Soak half cup quinoa in 1 cup of water and let this sit for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Heat 1 tablespoon ghee in a pan and saute quinoa for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now add 1 cup of water. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Once quinoa soaks all water, then add 2 cups of milk. Bring this to a boil and then cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Scrape out everything from the edges and then add 2 tablespoons each of chopped almonds and raisins. Give everything a gentle mix and then add 1/4 to half cup more milk to get desired consistency. Cook this for another 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Once done, take it off heat and then add 6 to 8 tablespoons of jaggery syrup. Adding jaggery in initial stages causes milk to curdle, but if you are using sugar, you could add that with cardamom powder. Take 1/4 cup milk in a bowl and mix it with 3 tablespoons Gulkand. Add this to quinoa pudding and let it cool. You could serve this dish either hot or cold. I prefer it cold, so I'm going to refrigerate this for at least 30 minutes before plating. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.